Hi everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Today we prepare delicious soup with pumpkin. I have here pumpkin with skin and it's 1 kilo 700 gram. When I remove skin it will be approximately 1 kilo 500 gram. First step, we cut in big pieces and remove skin. Pumpkin is very hard and slippery, so be careful. And this way we prepare all our pumpkin. Add cold water and cook 15-20 minutes until it's ready. So I covered pumpkin with water until this mark, and the layer of like 2 centimeters, one each, it's not covered. But when we put a lid, it will be steamed, it will be cooked. Now pumpkin is ready. We can try with knife. It's very soft. So we put it from burner and let it cool for about 5 minutes. We can prepare pumpkin soup using blender, any blender that you have. But also we can use the simple potato masher. I will prepare my soup with potato masher. First we pour off water in another pot and then we mash pumpkin. Pumpkin is very soft and it's very easy to mash it. Peel and wash fresh ginger and grate it. Water that we used to cook pumpkin is still warm, and we dissolve here 1 chicken broth cube. If you have freshly prepared chicken broth, so you can add this one instead of this. So we have here our pumpkin puree, 1 cup milk, broth we just prepared, 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And we mix all together. Our soup is ready. We just heat it to the point of boiling like this, and that's it. Put away from burner. When we serve, we can add boiled egg, parsley, and heavy cream. And now we will try it. I prepare the soup frequently, and as usually it's delicious. So we prepared today delicious pumpkin soup. It's creamy. We used only potato masher, and the soup is creamy enough. But you can use blender also. So we prepared 2 liters of soup. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Best wishes for everybody, and bye bye!